If you are wondering which laptop actually handles AutoCAD without slowing you down, stick around. Would I buy it or skip it? For each one, no fluff. Let's get into it. This is the certified workstation route, the laptop ISV certified for AutoCAD, Revit, and SolidWorks. The P16 Gen 2 runs 14th Gen Intel Core HX series processors with NVIDIA RTX 8th generation professional GPUs, not gaming GPUs, certified professional graphics that AutoCAD specifically validates for accuracy and stability. A 16-inch WQU XGA IPS display at 3840 by 2400 with 100% DC IP3 and 800 nits. Dual vapor chamber cooling, up to 128 gigabytes of DDR, 5 ECC RAM, and ThinkShield Enterprise Security. MIL spec durability, 3-year warranty standard, heavier than the gaming laptops here. This is a mobile workstation, not a thin and light. Next to the Dell Pro Max 16 Plus, it either feels like the most professionally validated AutoCAD laptop on this list, or the one that costs more than gaming alternatives for certified drivers most users may not strictly require. Would I buy it? Yes. For architects, engineers, and professionals whose firms require ISV certified hardware, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 is the most defensible AutoCAD workstation available. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. This is the AMD powerhouse route for AutoCAD on a budget. The Crosshair A16 HX runs AMD Ryzen HX series processors with up to RTX 5070 Ti, discrete graphics on a 16-inch QHD plus 240Hz display. Large RAM and fast NVMe SSD configurations handle complex 3D assemblies and large drawing sets without bottlenecking. The cooling system is aggressive. This machine is built to sustain performance under the heavy CPU and GPU loads that 3D AutoCAD and rendering place on hardware. At a competitive price versus the certified workstations above, next to the Legion Pro 7i, it either feels like the best value high-performance AutoCAD laptop available, or the one where a gaming chassis makes it harder to justify in a professional client-facing environment. Would I buy it? Yes. For freelancers and students who need serious AutoCAD and rendering performance without workstation pricing, the Crosshair A16 HX delivers strong value. That is link 2 in the description. Tap it now. This is the lightweight powerhouse route. Notebook Check called it lighter than the Razer Blade 16 and MSI Stealth 16 while outperforming heavier competitors at the same GPU tier. An Intel Core Ultra 9 HX Arrow Lake processor with RTX 5080 at 175 watts TGP in a chassis under 2 kilograms. The 16-inch WQXGA OLED display is sharp and vivid for design work. Legion Coldfront 5.0 cooling sustains performance under the heavy sustained loads that AutoCAD's rendering and model calculations demand. Dual Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, and Ethernet for flexible external display and peripheral connection. Next to the ThinkPad P16, it either feels like the best performing portable AutoCAD machine that does not weigh you down, or the one that lacks ISV certification for studios, where that is a strict requirement. Would I buy it? Yes. For professionals who move between office and site and need serious AutoCAD performance without a heavy bag, the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is the most compelling pick here. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. This is the business-grade Dell workstation route. The Pro Max 16 Plus is Dell's professional laptop targeting architects, engineers, and designers who need a balance of workstation-grade processing, a premium display, and Dell's enterprise support. Intel Core Ultra 9 HX series processing, NVIDIA RTX discrete graphics, a 16-inch display with wide color gamut coverage, and Dell's Pro Support warranty with next business day on-site service. Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, a built-in SD card reader, and comprehensive port selection handle design workflow peripherals cleanly. The build quality and support infrastructure are the defining advantages over gaming alternatives at a similar price. Next to the ThinkPad P16, it either feels like the Dell equivalent for enterprise AutoCAD users with existing Dell ecosystems, or the one where the ThinkPad's ISV certification and MIL spec durability make it the stronger workstation choice. Would I buy it? Maybe. The right pick for Dell-committed enterprise environments. For most individual professionals, the Legion Pro 7i or ThinkPad P16 offers stronger value. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. This is the most powerful portable root on this list. The Stealth 18 HX AI houses Intel Core, Ultra 9 HX series processing, and up to RTX 5090 discrete graphics in an 18-inch chassis at 2.4 kilograms. The largest screen and most raw horsepower available here. The 18-inch QHD plus 240 Hz display gives you the most working canvas of any laptop on this list, which translates directly into more visible detail in complex AutoCAD drawings and 3D models. The thin for its size aluminum chassis belies the performance inside. At $3,499 and above it is the most expensive machine here. Next to the Legion Pro 7i, it either feels like the ultimate portable AutoCAD workstation for power users who want the most screen and the most GPU headroom, or the one where the 18-inch form factor stops being truly portable for regular travel. Would I buy it? Maybe. For a designer who works at a desk most of the time and occasionally moves between locations, the Stealth 18 HX AI is an extraordinary machine. For regular travel, the Legion Pro 7i is the smarter carry. That is link 5 in the description. The last one. Tap it now. Subscribe to the TechMag right now. The best laptop and workstation content every single day.